flashback.
But definitely the goal is to get at least one of these big episodes out each month. Now, this is a little bit shorter than those episodes because, like I said, we're not doing any work, but I am hoping to be able to get at least sort of 10 minutes of content to you guys each and every month.
So I know I haven't been putting any episodes out, and I promised you guys I would try to put one out once a month, and that hasn't happened, and there are a lot of reasons as to why that hasn't happened. And so that kind of got me thinking that maybe I could take this opportunity to kind of introduce myself a bit more, tell you a little bit about what I do, because that is going to play a role in this channel, how often I can get content out, and why that is. And so since that last episode, so much has happened, both with my work, with Ginny, and with everything else going on in the world right now. Starting off with a lot of travel that kind of popped up out of nowhere. I am a filmmaker by trade, or a content creator. That is what I do for a living. It keeps a roof over my head, it keeps food on the table, and most importantly, it keeps gas in the Jeep. And so when jobs come up, I obviously have to take them, and it has to take priority over things like this. And it started off with a trip to South Africa, where I was filming for a client there. Got to spend some time in Johannesburg and Cape Town. I'd never been there before, so that was awesome. It just so happened that the time that I spent in South Africa was the same window of opportunity that the bodywork guy had to work on Ginny. Anyways, the bodywork was started. Thankfully, not too much had been done, so there was time for me to film a little bit more. All right, guys, so I'm just heading out the door here, heading down to see Pilot, who's the guy doing all the bodywork on Ginny right now. I just got a message from him saying there's some issues that he's ran into, so he wants me to come down and take a look and sort of see where we're going to go from here. So I'm a little bit nervous. I'm assuming it's going to be rust-based issues, which is pretty common in the Jeeps, unfortunately, and any car in the Cayman Islands because of where we are. So yeah, we're going to head down there now. I really hope that it's not going to be too serious. I haven't seen a Jeep since leaving for South Africa filming, so I have no idea how bad the rust is. I know I could see some surface rust and some spots that needed drilling out and welding up before leaving, which we went over in the last video, but honestly, like, you know, now that it's been stripped down and Pilot's been able to take a proper look at it underneath and inside, who knows what secrets await, what treasures will be found. Let's go see. How's it looking? Not so good, huh?
You'll get there. Here came out of your Jeep, buddy. This is the driver's side. The passenger side. This is the side. And these were the culprits. This came off of this.
Oh, so this is fiberglass on top.
This was the fiberglass that was on top. This was like this, bro.
Essentially, we're gonna have to pull all this out so that we can get to the fiberglass, pull that out, and weld some plates in there. You can see the hole right through to the bottom there. So yeah, there he goes. Pilot's just shining that light through so you can see it's just pure fiberglass. Nothing else between it, so we definitely have to tackle that. Alright, and here is the passenger side. You can see here, once we pulled some of the tape off too, there was a lot of rust under here that needed to be patched up. Some of this was definitely a lot worse than I thought it was. between all this happening, between South Africa and work being done on Ginny, about 2 months had already passed and she was still in the shop due to the fact that there was so much more work that had to be done on her than we anticipated. It was just delaying the process more and more. And then I had to go back to Africa to film again, which was a much cooler trip than the first one, as I actually got to go on a safari, which I'd never done before. Some really cool stuff, got to meet some really cool people, and just overall a phenomenal experience. Sweet home. We're on our first safari of the trip, well at least ours, and we're just heading out now, about to enter the park. We've just seen our first lion, female lion with 2 cubs. You can't see them on the GoPro behind me because they're probably too small, but I'm hoping we're not bothering them too much. It's incredible out here. The mist is everywhere. Morning mist. Thankfully, when I got back from South Africa, we were pretty much ready to finish up Ginny. And actually, I'm so excited when I got the call to say, hey, she's ready to come be picked up. I am currently driving to the garage to Automotive Art to finally pick up Ginny after just over 2 months now she's been in the shop. Also guys, just really quickly, one thing I wanted to point out while I'm here at Automotive Art is obviously they did the paint work here and they completely took care of everything, which is awesome. And I wanted to point out a service they have, which is kind of unique and pretty cool, where they can select any color that you have. So if you have a color on your car that you already really love and you want to pinpoint exact match that color, they have machinery in here that basically allows them to capture that color print and then reproduce it perfectly every time. forward, one of the expectations I need to set for myself and for you guys is that I am gonna be busy filming a lot of things. So if you're interested in me incorporating any of that content into the channel, drop a comment below. As you can see, there was a lot of work that had to be done on Ginny, a lot more than we anticipated, and the process just kind of went on forever. I would hate for the shop to have spent money on, you know, additional pieces for Ginny only for the floor to have rotted out and cause further problems of rust, etc. So I'm glad that's out of the way and that we can move on to kind of more of the fun stuff now. Thanks again for tuning in. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button if you liked the video and drop me a like. Feel free to drop me a comment below and let me know what content you'd like to see. If you have any suggestions on what modifications to make to Ginny, I'm all ears.